Imagine you're trying to fit a giant elephant into a tiny car. It's just not going to work, right? The same goes for large-scale decentralized apps and the Ethereum block gas limit. This limit is like the car, and your decentralized app is like the elephant. If your decentralized app is too big, it's going to run into problems. Block gas limit errors happen when your decentralized app tries to execute a transaction that's too complex or uses too much gas. Here's how to avoid these errors. Break down your decentralized app. Just like you cannot fit a whole elephant in a car, you can't fit a complex decentralized app into a single transaction. Break down your decentralized app into smaller, more manageable chunks. Second, optimize your code. Make sure your code is as efficient as possible. Avoid unnecessary loops, calculations, and state changes. Third, use Layer 2 solutions. Layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum can help to reduce the gas costs of your decentralized app. They process transactions off-chain, making them faster and cheap. Lastly, monitor your gas usage. Keep a close eye on how much gas your decentralized app is using. Use tools like GasNow or Etherscan to track gas prices and network congestion. By following these tips, you can avoid block gas limit errors and ensure that your large-scale decentralized app runs smoothly. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between functionality and efficiency.